In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Discover page on Whop. To get started, head over to Whop and open the home page. This is your starting point for navigating the platform, and from here you can access different sections depending on what you want to explore. If you're already logged in, you should land right inside the main interface. If not, just make sure you're on the correct site so you can follow along smoothly. Once you're on the home page, look over to the left-hand navigation menu and click on Discover. This section is designed to help you find products, communities, tools, and opportunities available on Whop. Think of it as the main browsing area where you can explore what's being offered across the platform. If you're new to Whop, this is one of the best places to start because it gives you a broad view of what's available without needing to know exactly what you're looking for in advance. After opening the Discover page, you can begin by entering a sample prompt or using the search bar to browse. This is especially useful if you already have a topic, category, or type of product in mind. For example, if you're looking for a specific niche or want to find something related to your interests, the search feature helps narrow things down quickly. When using search, try keeping your terms clear and simple so the results are easier to scan. If the page shows suggested prompts, those can also be a helpful starting point when you're not sure what to type. If you don't want to search right away, you can also scroll down and browse through the sample content on the Discover page. This is a great option if you're still exploring and want to see what stands out. As you scroll, you'll be able to get a feel for the types of listings and categories available. Browsing this way can be useful for discovering things you may not have thought to search for on your own. As you move through the page, take your time and look closely at what catches your attention. The Discover page is built to help you explore naturally, whether you're searching for something specific or simply browsing for ideas. Using both the search function and the scroll-based browsing experience together can help you get the most out of the page. And that's how to use the Discover page on Whop. Once you get comfortable with it, finding new communities and offers becomes much faster and easier.